Hello guys and welcome to Painting Panzers. Today we're going to be unboxing the British Hussars from Italeri. Now this particular box set is a re-release of the ESCI box set, which is very common with Italeri kits. The ESCI kit came out in 1985 and this particular box set is dated 2003, and we can see on the back it's got a painting guide for Model Master paints. However, I don't use any of those paints, so those paint suggestions are pretty much irrelevant to me, but they might be relevant for you, so that's nice that they've included them on there regardless. Now you get two sprues on here. Obviously you've got one with your cavalrymen and the rest with horses and the bases. So let's take a closer look at what you get. So looking at the actual men on horseback, you can see there's a variety of different attacking poses and sort of charging poses. They've got their police or balise, I'm not sure, police I think it's pronounced, on the back, as well as the traditional sort of equipment that you'd expect with their musket and stuff just slung there. And we've got some of the horses, but in really nice detail. I love the attention to detail on the horses. Not a big fan of those injection marks on the back of the horses, as you can see here, but nothing that a Stanley knife can't get off, and potentially soldering iron if you need to tidy it up a little bit. So with those two sprue sets, you get 8 cavalrymen and then you get a variety of horses. Now there is 3 types of horses in terms of their style, so 3 different types of horses, which I would have liked a couple more, but you know what, you're not really going to take too much attention to that, I don't think. And then finally we've got the last row of cavalrymen, and this is more of your command row. So we've got the guy with the bugle and then just your sort of officers and whatnot just charging in. So that's just a very quick look at what you get in the box set, but guess what? I've got a painting tutorial for this particular set that's already been released. So if you want to find out how I paint my 11th Hussars, then you can find the video, which is going to be popping up on screen now, or if you wait just a few seconds, you'll see it on the end screen. So please do watch that, give it some love by liking and subscribing and sharing, all that good stuff. But until then, I will catch you at the next one.